Today I'm making fried chicken and I'm using the coating mix by Bastari. It's so simple. You just add the coating mixture, just pour it onto the chicken and you coat them. Just coat your meat with this mixture. After coating them, you can leave them aside and you can start your frying, say about half an hour later. This is the marinated chicken that I marinated earlier. I've taken it out from the fridge and now I'm putting it onto the air fryer where it will be cooked without any oil. I'll leave it for about 15 minutes. Okay, 15 minutes is up. So let's check on the chicken. Oh, it looks nice and brown. It's well done.
There it is, fried chicken made in the air fryer. There was no oil used to make this, and yet you can see how crispy the chicken is. Thanks for watching and cheers to healthy eating habits.